Oh my God. Oh my God. Tyler. Oh my. Jerry.
Jacob, if you give me my bait caster, I'll go to McDonald's. You good? What you need, bro? Good. That green bait caster. There's so many turtles in the water, bro. Yeah, we're not going nowhere.
You don't know I'm a pedophile.
Yeah, I had to date this kid named.
Bro, I was with Riley one time and we were pedophiles for a day.
Only a day.
You remember that, Riley?
Yeah.
That was the whole line.
But Riley just like stayed on. Hey Riley, why aren't you streaming right now?
I just got hit. Oh. Oh. Oh.
You did that guy.
Oh. 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 Get the cooler. This one's actually going in the cooler too. Oh my gosh.
Oh god.
He's alive.
He's not looking good, bro.
He's alive. Jacob, he's not supposed to survive.
He ain't looking good. Jamie, come on.
If you say
Ow, bro. He's right on me.
He's like barely. Oh, he ain't making it.
He'd survive if we put him back in the water, but I don't want to.
Just put it with it closed.
Coach, bird.
Right, can you make it bigger?
Tyler, what? You be Coach Bird, bro.
Jaden, I put it in the bucket and I put it in the water. What'd I do, Jaden? I feel bad.
It'll be funny. My dad actually did build that, though.
Oh!
Riley!
I felt bad, bro. God was talking to me in that moment.
No, he wasn't.
You didn't catch nothing.
It's probably fucking bluegill. I would actually be pissed off if he has a bluegill in it.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay, switch ball. I gotta get another one.
Oh my God. No, you didn't catch nothing.
Actually, you just had this the tiniest fish in the whole pond. That's what he wants out.
All right, yeah. Should we kill him and then put him in there?
No, you just put him in there. They just die. That's the most inconvenient shit. If we were fishing public, this shit would be so illegal.
Barely 5 inches.
Man.
Oh, this feels so weird. I don't ever do this for bass. Oh my God. I'm gonna recast. I don't even want to try it. Oh, that's a good cast with a Cinco from that far, bro. Oh my God. Oh my God. Tyler. Oh my. Oh! Bro, big fish! Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. I was just tripped. Oh my, it's so big. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we're not keeping this one, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's a good 2.
It's at least half a pound, bro.
You go get that fire truck thing. Come on, bro.
Alright, bro, an ice chest.
Heck no, this is a good one. Alright, if I can get the hook out.
You gonna kill him?
See, I would post some of this stuff, but you got random people saying the N-word and stuff in the background. Pull it straight down. Just caught his lip.
Yeah, that's that.
Here, hold on.
Yeah, like push it down. It's like almost out, but it's like not.
Let go.
It's like in his bone, bro.
That's how John B does it. Come on,
Just like sideways.
my arm is like dead, bro.
Dang, guess we gotta keep.
Hey, rip it out right there. Just rip it out. Yeah. I mean, sorry, bro, but yeah. You don't have to, dang.
Oh yeah. Hold on, wait. I gotta put it in 0.5 and up close.
Oh, my arm, his fingers are tired. That's not even that. I mean, it's a good one, but it's not like a huge one.
All right, yeah, you're right.
Whoa! Wait,
Oh,
compare sizes. Yeah, that one's not getting
That's a baby,
killed.
bro. Keep that. That's a baby.
You gotta give it a kiss.
I gotta catch one. I'm gonna
Give
be
it a kiss.
pissed.
Just
No.
give it a kiss.
Great.
Jaden! Jaden! What happened? Woo! What a good one.
What does he have on?
Probably a crawfish. I think he has a crawfish.
I'll put him on a Texas rig crawl. Just crawl on, bro.
Holy shit! The fish he caught! Hold it like this. Come here. Hold it like this.
Like that?
Yeah, like that. Or like that. Like that.
This?
Yeah. You got it?
No. That?
Yeah. Yeah, hold it straight up, man. Yeah, just like that. Oh shit. That's a good one, bro. All right, now you gotta you gotta soft release it in the water. You gotta like, no, you gotta put it up in the water and like slowly just like let your finger let it out of its mouth and then it'll swim off. And then slowly let it go in the water.
Man, don't tell me.
He's good.
Bro, I don't know how to hook.
Here, Tyler, let me see.